Hi, my name is Barb Hush. I work for the Door County Library at the Forestville branch in Forestville, Wisconsin. And I would like to show you a craft that's really fun for kids to do. I call it The Bird is the Word. This little guy. And all he is a plastic cup, yarn. You cut out orange or gold paper. You cut out this little beak right here, and you give him some feathers. I gave him black feathers, but you could use any color feathers you want. You can make him this color, which is yellow, or you could have a red cup or a blue cup. You could use different colored yarn. You could use different colored feathers. And of course, I always like what I call the googly eyes. Just gives him a little personality, I think. And his beak right here. So it's just a simple craft that you can do with things you probably have around the house. You don't have feathers, just take a piece of paper and you can cut ridges in it and make your own little wings so that he has wings. Just fringe it up, take a piece of paper and cut like this. Stick those on there if you don't have feathers. Or maybe you can find some feathers outside. A lot of times birds lose them and they're just laying around outside somewhere. Take a walk in the woods and with someone, with your parents or an older sibling, older brother or sister, and find some real feathers. Maybe you have chickens. Maybe there's lots of feathers laying around. So whatever it takes, but I just took this yarn and I taped it on, wrapped it around and around, and I put another piece of tape, and the eyes and the beak I glued on. So anyway, I just thought he was fun. The bird is the word. Have fun crafting. Bye.